You as a woman, imagine when you want to knack with your partner and he start perceiving odor coming out from your V-port. What do you think will be going through his mind? Like, what kind of embarrassment have you given to yourself like this? You know, do you think this guy will be happy? This guy will not be happy. The guy will never be happy. Like, seriously, this kind of thing has affected a lot of relationship because, you know, after packaging yourself that you want to knock your woman, you know, and after everything, boom, you start perceiving odor coming out from the woman's V-port. Most men will pretend as if nothing went wrong or maybe nothing happened, but trust me, after that day, that guy will stop talking to you, or maybe he wouldn't want to have anything to do with you again because he will be like, this one is already infected. You know, so that's why I made this video to tell you guys the major things that can make your V-ports to be producing this kind of odor, and as well tell you guys the way to prevent yourself from having this kind of odor in your V-port. So number one is what? Using of soap to wash your V-port. Auntie, please stop using soap to wash your V-port. Yes, when you use soap to wash your V-port, it makes that place to change pH. You know, the pH level of the acid and base in your V-port is supposed to be normal, but once you use soap to wash that place, it will change it. It can make it high and it can also reduce it. And in this case, it can give you room for, like bacterial growth. And once there is bacterial growth in there, it will make that place to be moist and odor will start coming out. Odor will start coming out because there is now bacteria that is reacting with your V-port. And also there will be kind of abdominal, this thing, you have some kind of discharge. Discharge will be produced from your V-port. Imagine you putting hand from your V-port, bringing out some discharge, and everywhere is smelling, you know. So using of soap to wash your V-port can cause your V-port to start producing some kind of fishy and some kind of bad smell. So please stay away from it. Your V-port is self-clean. You don't need all those things to wash your V-port. Just use only clean water to wash and you are good to go. Then the second one that most ladies are even doing it but they don't know is what? Using dirty water to wash their V-ports. Imagine as a woman, you're going to the well to fetch water. You go to the drum to fetch water. My dear, and after bathing, you use all those water to wash your V-port. My dear, what are you thinking? What are you thinking? How sure are you that those water is clean? How on earth are you using those water to wash yourself? Those water are not clean. Those water can contain bacteria, it can contain fungi and so many other kind of infections. My dear, you are not supposed to use it to wash your V-port because all these things can cause you bacterial vaginosis. You know, some of you are just like, you know, doing things anyhow, or because maybe you don't know. So try to learn all these things so that you can be able to know the right things to do and the things that you're not supposed to do. Some of you have a very clean toilet. Your toilet is very much okay, but due to the kind of water you're using to wash yourself, it's making you infected, like it's getting you infected. So please stay away from all this kind of water. Use clean water to wash yourself. Then number 3 is what? Using tight underwears. Madam, only you put on pants, only you put on tights, only you put on trouser or even skirt, only you in one body. How many things are you protecting? Only just in one organ you are covering. You're putting on all these things. Chief Security of Nigeria, only you. I wonder what on earth you are protecting. If you are to be wrapped like that or they cover you like that, madam, will you survive? Why can't you just open this thing and allow breeze to go in? Because if you don't allow air to go in, it will start producing some kind of abdominal discharge because there is heat coming out from that place. And this heat will start forming bacteria. Before you know, it will grow into yeast infection. So please, mind the kind of things you put on. Put on free things that, you know, that could allow air to go in. Then number 4 is what? Washing yourself from the back down to the front. As a woman, after using the toilet, why not just pour the water through the back and wash yourself? Don't wash it down to the front, because if you do that, if you wash it down to the front, you know, that will be, you are just transferring bacteria from your anus down to your V-port. And once you do this, bacteria will be transferred. And these bacteria are not things that you're going to see with your normal eyes, you know. Bacteria are not the things that you can see with your normal eyes, and they multiply very fast. So as a woman, if you are done using the toilet, please wash through your back, pour the water through your back, and also wash through the back. Stop washing it from the back down to the front, because it will cause you infection. Then the last one is what? STI. As we all know, STI is what? Sexually transmitted disease. Now, when you as a woman, you have all this, you have a sexually transmitted infection like bacterial vaginosis, gonorrhea, staphylococcus, and so on. Your V port will be producing some kind of discharge that will be, making you perceive a lot of odor. Even at times, if you want to go and pee, as you bend down, you'll be perceiving the odor of your V port, because there is infection in there. The discharge that is coming out from your body is already smelling because of what? There is bacteria in there. So please, as a woman, stay away, do everything possible to stay away from all these kind of infections, because all these things can be damaging your body unknown to you, and also causing your V port to be producing odor. It can chase men away from you if you don't know. So please, all this I've actually mentioned in this video might just be the reason why you are having that gonorrhea, you are having that staph, you are having that infection, and so on, because of that dirty water you're always using to wash yourself, because of that too much underwear you're always putting on all the time, because of that soap you're always using to to wash yourself, causing yourself different kind of infection. It must not be that maybe you went and knocked with someone that has it before you're going to contact it. No. It must not be compulsory that you contacted it from someone that maybe from your boyfriend. My dear, most of you want to accuse your boyfriend, your girlfriend, that yes, I contacted it from this guy. It's only this guy I've been knocking with. It is not a must that you contact it from someone that has it. All these things I just mentioned in this video, the kind of soap the soap you use to wash there, the underwears you put on, all these things can make you have different kind of infection. It must not be knocking. I hope you guys are getting me now. So please stay away from all these things I just mentioned in this video. If you don't want to have all this infection, if you don't want your V port to be producing or bringing out this kind of odor, so please, this is all I have to share with you guys in regards to this video. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and do well as to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers and followers, this is Prince DJ Global saying thank you. See you guys in the next